Namaskar दोस्तों. So today we are going to study subject verb agreement for class 6 and its worksheet 3. Following is an excerpt about Mr. Ved, Mr. Arya's next door neighbor. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of have. The first one has been done for you. Mr. Ved is an excellent speaker. He has been invited by various organizations to deliver talks on different topics. These organizations have even given him offers to stay abroad. However, Mr. Ved has rejected those. He had visited several countries in this context. He had been to America, Europe, Australia, Japan, and other countries. In fact, he had been to Japan 4 times. Last time when he visited Japan, he stayed there for a couple of months. This is because he has a special fondness for the Japanese culture and traditions. He has brought back with him a lot of Japanese literature. These books have enhanced his knowledge and understanding of the people of Japan. He has planned to take Mr. Ved and their children with him when he goes there the next time. So let's start worksheet 4. Each of the following sentences begins with a singular subject, so it should have a singular verb. आप देखिए कि one, someone, no one, either, neither, nobody, no one, not one, none. इस तरह के जो वर्ड हैं उसको हम लोग सिंगुलर मानते हैं और इसीलिए जो वर्ब हम यूज़ करते हैं वो सिंगुलर ही यूज़ करते हैं. ओके, सो वन ऑफ द बॉयज़ इज़. अब देखिए, आप बॉयज़ के साथ इज़ लगा. अब कई सारे लड़कों में वन ऑफ द बॉयज़, कई सारे लड़कों में एक लड़का, तो एक लड़के की बात है इसलिए हम लोगों ने यहाँ इज़ लगाया. वन ऑफ द बॉयज़ इज़ मिसिंग. समवन हैज़ स्टोलन माई पेन. नो वन इज़ हैप्पी इन दिस कंट्री. Either of the sisters is a good singer. Neither of the brothers is to blame. Nobody in the world is perfect. Not one of my shirts is clean. None of them has come back. So आपने देखा कैसे इसको सिंगुलर मानते हैं और सिंगुलर वर्ब का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Normally a subject is followed by its verb. At times, several words groups can be used between the subject and its verb without changing the original subject-verb agreement. तो sometimes जो है several words group can be used between the subject and its verb without changing the original subject-verb agreement. Like Radha, in addition to her brother, has come. Ramesh, as well as his brothers, is a fine boy. Krishna, accompanied by her sister, has been waiting. Rakesh with his family was present. Gopal along with his brothers has been invited. Now you see there are words as well as, in addition to, accompanied by, या with, या along with. इस तरह के जो वर्ड्स होते हैं. और देखिए आप इसमें इस सेंटेंस में सिर्फ राधा के बारे में बात की गई है कि राधा इन एडिशन टू हर ब्रदर, राधा के अलावा उसका ब्रदर भी हैज़ कम, आ चुके हैं. तो कॉमा लगा के, ये मेन जो सब्जेक्ट है वो सिंगुलर है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे सिंगुलर का यूज़ किया है। ठीक है, कृष्णा accompanied by her sister has been waiting. So commas used to include the words groups shows that these words groups are not to be treated as part of the subject. A verb will agree with its subject before word group. तो इस ग्रुप से पहले जो सब्जेक्ट यूज़ हुआ है उसके अनुसार हम लोग वर्ब को यूज़ करते हैं। Now you see the present tense of the verb be is missing in each of the following sentence. Put a slash at the place where it needs to be inserted. Write the verb in the space provided. The first one has been done for you. Now neither of the two brothers is very tall. Neither Raghav nor Madhav is a businessman. Every one of those shirts is new. Neither of them is qualified enough to teach in a college. Each of the actors and actresses is to be given a special award by the president. तो आपने देखा each, neither, every, neither, nor के साथ हम लोग इसका ही इस्तेमाल किया। Now you see when two subjects are joined with either or, neither nor, or not only but also, the verb must agree with the second subject. अब जैसे either और neither nor रहेगा, है ना, तो वो सेकंड सब्जेक्ट के अनुसार लगेगा। verb must agree with the second subject. तो either मोहन और his parents, तो सेकंड सब्जेक्ट, फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट ये है मोहन और सेकंड सब्जेक्ट पेरेंट्स। पेरेंट्स प्लूरल है तो प्लूरल वर्ब लगेगा। आइदर मोहन और हिज पेरेंट्स आर टू बी रिवार्डेड। आइदर द टीचर्स और द प्रिंसिपल इज स्ट्रिक्ट। नाइदर रमन नॉर हिज पेरेंट्स आर डिसऑनेस्ट। Not only the officer but the subordinates are also guilty. Now worksheet 5. When a singular subject is joined by another singular subject, the subject becomes plural in number. It must have a plural verb. Like Radhika is willing to work hard. Piyush is willing to work hard. Radhika and Piyush are willing to work hard. When a singular subject is joined by another singular subject, अगर ये है the first two sentences have a singular subject but the third sentence has a plural subject. अब ये singular सब्जेक्ट है तो सिंगुलर वर्ब, यहाँ प्लूरल या दो है, दो से अधिक है, राधिका एंड पीयूष आर, तो यहाँ पे प्लूरल वर्ब लगेगा। तो चलिए आज के लिए इतना ही, वर्कशीट 5 तक। थैंक यू।